This Carote 24 pieces ceramic cookware set redefines home cooking with a perfect balance of functionality, durability, and style. Designed to simplify your kitchen routine, this set offers an all-in-one solution for frying, simmering, sautéing, boiling, and reheating with ease. Its premium ceramic non-stick coating ensures that every meal is healthier, cleaner, and more enjoyable, while the reinforced die-cast aluminum construction provides long-lasting durability even under frequent daily use. The purchase link is available in the description below and in the pinned comment. Cooking can often be a messy and time-consuming task, but Carote's innovative cookware set addresses common kitchen problems, including uneven heating, sticking, and frequent wear and tear. With its ultra non-stick coating, food slides effortlessly off every pan, making both cooking and cleaning simple and stress-free. The even and rapid heat delivery eliminates hot spots, ensuring that dishes cook evenly from edge to center. Whether you're preparing delicate eggs or hearty stews, this cookware guarantees consistent results every time. Why Carote stands out? Carote goes beyond basic cookware. The combination of ceramic non-stick coating and die-cast aluminum ensures not only healthy cooking, but also exceptional durability. Unlike traditional cookware that can warp or degrade over time, this set withstands frequent use without compromising performance. The included utensils and pot protectors add convenience, protecting both your hands and the cookware, while the comprehensive set sizes cover nearly every cooking scenario, from frying a quick breakfast to preparing a family dinner. Health and safety. One of the most important aspects of modern cooking is the ability to prepare meals safely. Carote's ceramic coating is completely free of PFOA, PFOS, and other harmful chemicals, ensuring that no toxins leach into your food, even at high temperatures. This makes it ideal for families, health-conscious individuals, or anyone looking to reduce unnecessary fat intake while still enjoying flavorful dishes. Cooking with minimal oil becomes easier, contributing to a healthier lifestyle without sacrificing taste, ease of use, and cleaning. Cleaning up after cooking has never been easier. Thanks to the ultra non-stick ceramic surface, stuck-on food or residue is quickly removed with a wipe or rinse. The lightweight, ergonomic design of the pans makes them easy to maneuver, even when fully loaded. The die-cast aluminum base allows for fast and even heating, eliminating the frustration of uneven cooking and ensuring meals are done perfectly every time. Durability and long-term performance. The reinforced die-cast aluminum construction makes this cookware resistant to scratches, dents, and other common signs of wear, ensuring your investment lasts for years. The pot protectors included in the set prevent damage during stacking, extending the life of the non-stick coating. This set is designed to withstand rigorous, everyday use without compromising its performance, making it a reliable companion for busy kitchens. Perfect for. This cookware set is ideal for health-conscious families who want to reduce oil intake, home chefs looking for durable, non-stick, and easy-to-clean cookware, busy professionals seeking a time-saving solution for everyday meals, apartment dwellers and small kitchen owners who need space-efficient cookware, gift seekers looking for a practical, high-quality kitchen set for weddings, housewarmings, or holidays. Final verdict. For anyone looking to elevate their cooking experience, the Carote 24 pieces ceramic cookware set is a must-have. With its non-toxic ceramic coating, durable construction, even heating, and complete set of utensils and pot protectors, it offers unmatched convenience, performance, and health benefits. This set not only streamlines meal preparation, but also adds elegance and functionality to any kitchen. Experience effortless cooking and cleaning while ensuring safe, healthy meals every day. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.